We're here at LaDue Reservoir in
Auburn Township.
Auburn Township. This is
Life jacket is on. The GoPros have floaties.
Phones have floaties.
Phones have floaties.
I'm not wearing my life jacket because I'm.
My backpack will sink like a rock.
What will?
My backpack, my speaker.
Cooler.
The cooler may float.
It may float. I was thinking that too.
It may float. Probably not, knowing our luck. Yeah, so that's where we're at, in the middle of a lake reservoir thingy. We out here canoeing and shit. We're here at LaDue Reservoir. We're in the middle of this lake. The last canoe trip, I lost my sunglasses. I lost my lighter.
Oh yeah.
I lost my GoPro. I lost my GoPro stand.
Hard lesson.
Learned a hard lesson of to keep everything afloat and dry. Bought some floaties. I got another floaty coming for the GoPro 12. The monster of the lagoon. That's what we're trying to find out here, the monster of the lagoon. There is a lake monster. They call him Flippy Flappy Jalopy. Flippy Flappy Jalopy has been terrorizing these parts for the better part of 17 and a half years.
Oh wow.
Which the locals say that it was young Johnny McKnight. That's about the time when he disappeared, walked into the woods and was never seen again. Johnny McKnight is the monster of the lagoon, and he's staring at us right there.
I believe.
It's just seen him over in the woods over there. He disappeared when I turned the camera.
Isn't Johnny McKnight one of the new kids on the block? Guys.
It's a different guy. It's his brother. It's his cousin. It's his cousin. He was in the Vanilla Ice band. With Devo. That's it. That's all I got for right now. We'll check in later. Make sure you get your stickers. If you see me in person, get your stickers. You got stickers. Stickers. The house over there.
As you can see, we didn't lose any GoPros. I'd say this was a successful trip. Oh hey, the camera's in the front of this one too. Well, cool beans. Did you just fart?
Alright, we just did the LaDue Reservoir. Anything to say, babe?
I'm burnt. I'm tired and spent.
Yeah, I'm burnt up too. A lot of energy wasted. 5 miles we did the lake. And that was fun.
Yeah.
We'll be back. We'll do it again. So until then, we'll see you on the next one.